In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Vanguard for Valorant, updated 2026 guide. If Vanguard is not working properly for Valorant, this process will help you fix it by removing the current installation and reinstalling it through the Riot client. This is one of the most common ways to resolve Vanguard errors and get Valorant running again. Start by going to the Windows search bar on your computer. Type Add or Remove Programs and open that settings page. Once it opens, use the search area in that window to look for Valorant. When you find Valorant in the list, click on it and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts on your screen to remove it completely from your system. After that, open the Riot client on your computer. Once the client is fully open, look to the left side and click on the Valorant icon. This will take you to the Valorant page inside the Riot client. From there, look for the option to install Valorant and click it. The client will begin reinstalling Vanguard and Valorant for you. Let the installation complete fully. Do not close the Riot client while Vanguard and Valorant is being installed. Once it finishes, there is one final step that you must do. Restart your computer. This part is required because Vanguard needs to load when Windows starts. If you skip the restart, Valorant may still not open correctly, and Vanguard may not run the way it should.